Hello traders and welcome to Backtested. In today's video we will be testing the 3 Inside Up Candlestick Pattern. We will be testing it on crypto, specifically on Solana, 15 minutes time frame. We will be tweaking the risk-reward ratio so we improve the win rate. And in this video you will see that we improve the win rate from 16% to 70 or 72%. The video is great, so I recommend you watching it till the end. I promise you will learn a lot, so stick around. I'm going to be selecting the Solana. It's Solana USD, and then I'm going to be selecting the session, New York session. I will go ahead and select the candlestick pattern, 3 inside up. You will find it listed as the inside up / down bullish. This is the pattern. Now we are going to be disabling the sell conditions because we are going to be testing a bullish setup, which means we are going just to test buys. Let's go ahead and start with take profit to be 1%. Okay, 1%, and then 0.5. Let's just take to be 1% for the stop loss. So it's a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. And let me click this. Skip order if there are open trades. What this does is basically avoids opening multiple trades in the same time. And then for the side I'll select 10, and let's just set it to 100, and then click the backtest button. Wait a few seconds and you will see the stats. Now that the stats are loaded, you can see the result. It's obviously a loss, minus 1.32%, the return as you can see. And this is the equity final. This is the equity peak. And exposure time is 60 days, as you can see. This is the period of the backtest, 60 days. And let's go ahead and see. Yeah, we opened only 12 trades. The win rate of those 12 trades was 16.66%. This is the best rate, 0.98, and this is the worst rate. They may differ a lot when there is slippage in the markets. And then we go down a little bit. Yeah, this is the profit factor. It's 0.20. It's really, how can I put it? It's so bad. It means that for every dollar that you risk, you only gain 20 cents. The SQ1 also is so bad. Expectancy is negative. Let's take a look at the chart. So this is the trade history table. Now the chart is loading. Okay, let's zoom in and see. Okay, so as you can see, when I zoomed in, let's enable disable the dark mode to have more clear vision in this. So I can see that. Let me go back a bit. Yeah, most of those trades are losses. I feel like the stop loss is a bit tight, and so is the take profit. So we will go back and try to tweak the take profit and the stop loss and see 2%. Let's give it a try and see if there is any change in the stats. Okay, this is it. The return is still negative, but less worse. Let's set it to be 4 for the take profit. Let's just set it to be 3 for the take profit and then 4 for the stop loss. And see, it's always kind of better to make the stop loss a little bit higher in some strategies, because it's shown that it improves the win rate a little bit, and sometimes even the profit factor, because what is known in the markets, you see them all over the place. They set the take profit to be, I don't know, 3 times the stop loss, and they tell you, oh, this is going to make you a lot of money, but in reality it's more risky. It's really more risky. And they advertise this idea as, you risk just 1 to get 4 or something like that. Anyways, let's backtest it. Wait for a few seconds and see again. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. This will help us provide better content. So this is the stats. The return is 1.89. Now we are profitable. This is the buy and hold return. So if you bought the Solana before 60 days, till this day you will be losing minus 36 point. It's almost minus 37% of the account. And this is the return of the strategy. As you can see now, it's profitable, 1.89%. Of course, this is always depending on the amount you buy or you sell. If we bought more, we will be earning more. We got 11 trades. They are the same, but most of them became winners. As you can see, it was the previous win rate was 45%. Now we have a 72% win rate. It's good, and the profit factor now is 2.01. It was in the previous backtest. It was 0.84. I guess, yeah, it was that. So now you risk $1 to get $1.01. It's profitable. SQ1 is better, expectancy is better, and yeah, this is it. We can take a look at the chart. Yeah, most of the trades now are profitable. So this is our pattern. You see it, the 3 inside up. And this is the trade's history. When you see the size positive, it means that you have a buy. And when you see the size negative, it means that you have a sell. These two, don't be confused. when you read the trade history table. This is the P&L, the exit price, the entry price, the time, duration. Okay guys, so that was it. This was a quick backtest for this candlestick pattern. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe.